Jingxiu Hall was founded in 1790, with a history of 229 years. It is a Chinese time-honored brand under the GP Group, a super-large pharmaceutical group, and China.Guangzhou Jingxiutang Pharmaceutical Company, Limited adheres to the scientific and rigorous pharmaceutical spirit and insists on making simple and effective skincare products with pharmaceutical standards. Guangzhou Pharmaceutical Group Jingxiu Tang Medical Aesthetics Research Institute of GPHL is committed to exploring scientific medical aesthetics technology. It has a team of high-quality experts with PhD and master's degrees, a national key laboratory, an analysis and testing center and a natural product development center, as well as a number of technical development patents such as the mixture of Baihua essence and green extraction.